If you're having a moment of deja vu, yes, this is the same outfit, same hair, same everything as my last video, because I'm filming 2 videos back to back and I don't have time to change. Hi, I'm Jennifer. If it's your first time here, welcome. I hope you stick around. If you're a returning viewer or a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Let's talk about my favorites for the month. I love watching other people's favorites. And yeah, lost my train of thought completely. First thing, these are clip-in extensions that I bought from Amazon. I have no idea how to pronounce that name. There they are. This was my first foray into these kind of extensions. These are fantastic. They look very good. Once they've been washed the first time, they get kind of blend in with your hair a little bit. I love these, and if it weren't for the other extensions I fell in love with, I'd still be buying these or wearing these. What I don't like is that I have to put them in every single day. But this is what they look like out of the package, out of your hair. This is the smaller one. They come in 2 or 3 different sizes, and you just clip them in. They are real hair. They are 100% human hair. They're comfortable to wear unless it's really hot, and then they get a little more uncomfortable. There's the bigger one. You can curl them, you can straighten them, you can do anything to them that you would do with your own hair. They're really awesome, and I will leave a link to these in the description box. Currently, all this blonde madness, these are tape-in extensions, and I have been thrilled with these. I have no idea what the brand name is on these. They come in a package like this. I believe mine are the 14-inch ones, and I have had them in for 3 weeks and not one of them has fallen out. That's crazy. I wash my hair about twice a week. I do heat style sometimes. I just treat them like my normal hair, just a little more gentle. This is what they look like out of the package. Mine have been cut. 14 inches when I first put them in felt too long and really unbelievable, so I did cut them. But they're 100% human hair. I think the package that I got was about $25, and it was pretty much enough to do my entire head. I have very thin, fine hair. I would imagine if you've got more hair than me, you would need more than one package. But these are great. I love them. Next favorite. This is the Cover FX Blurring Primer. This came in BoxyCharm recently. This is fantastic. I have some big pores here, 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 and here. And this is amazing. I did forget to put it on today because it was sitting on my tray so I could film, but I love this, and I believe I will probably repurchase this once this is empty. Next up, yep, Halo Vitamins. And yes, I know, I have not yet filmed my Halo Vitamin review. I'll give you a sneak peek though. I am well into my 2nd month. I will be repurchasing these. I can't foresee a time when I won't be taking these. They have done some really amazing things for my skin and my hair. So wait for that Halo video. I promise I'm gonna film it. I just haven't. Because I haven't. Next, this is the Dr. Teal's body lotion with avocado oil. Y'all, this is nice. I got it at Walmart. It's cheap. It is a very, very intensely hydrating lotion. In the summer when I'm using a lot of self-tanner, I don't typically use my alpha hydroxy lotion as much because it makes my tanner come off. So I need something in the summertime that's going to be very hydrating, and this has been working great. It smells good. It kind of smells like summer. It smells like cucumbery. I don't know. It's not a very strong smell. It's a clean smell. I really like it. This is the IBD Gel Nail Kit. For those of you who don't know, I do my own nails, and I had been doing acrylics for quite some time. I have switched to the gel, and a lot of self-tanner on that hand, huh? This is how they look. There is a slight learning curve in just adjusting to how it is, but once you get it, it's just about as easy as painting your nails. You do have to cure them with a light, just like gel polish. They're very durable. This kit I got at Sally, and I think it was about $35, and it's going to last a really, really long time. So if you've been thinking about experimenting with some builder gel, I like this one. And related to that, this is the lamp that I got. I believe it's UV and what's the other thing, UV and LED combination. It's got 3 timers on the back. I had a little gel nail a little lamp that came with a gel nail kit, and it was okay, but it wasn't strong enough, and I had to cure for like 5 minutes or something. This is fantastic. It was very inexpensive. I got it on Amazon. I will try and put the link below. I should have said that works for gel nails or gel polish. Anything like that that you have to cure, it works for that. And it's a pretty high wattage, maybe 35, 40, something like that. Anyway, I really, really like it. Let's keep going. Shelly from Geek Out of Water. Yeah, Geek Out of Water keeps making me buy things. She's bad. She's bad. Actually, she's wonderful. If you don't watch her, you should. This is the L'Oreal Lumi bronzer. I have been using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer for the better part of a year and thought I wouldn't ever like anything as much as I like that. Well, I was wrong. I like this better. It's a little hard to find sometimes, or maybe it's just hard to find in Oklahoma City, but this is fantastic. And look how huge this thing is. It's big as my hand. It will last forever. I love this. 2 more things and I'll stop talking. The Neutrogena Hydro Boost. This is just a daily serum. I don't know if it has SPF in it or not. Doesn't matter because I wear SPF anyway. In the summertime, I tend to wear a much lighter moisturizer. My skin gets a little oilier, as you can see. This makeup is about 8 hours old, by the way. I like this. It's lightweight, but it's very, very moisturizing. My skin looks and feels great when I use this, and I will continue to use it all summer. That is this one is empty. I'm halfway through my second one. Love it. And related to that is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Eye Cream. I really like this. I like it a lot. The combination of this and my vitamins has greatly reduced the amount of crepiness on my eyelids. So I'm going to keep using this. I really like it. That is one fast, quick video, but those are the things that I was loving in May that I'm sure I'll continue to love in June. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you would like to subscribe, I welcome you to do so. That would be awesome. It'd make my day. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you later. Jen out.